In the age of competition, the question is, how can we strive for improvement and success? Introducing Dusit Thani College, Thailand's premier private educational institute specializing in the hospitality industry. With 2 regional campuses located in Bangkok and Pattaya. Here at Dusit Thani, we are following the ambition of Than Puying Chanat Piyaui, the founder of Dusit Thani Public Company Limited, and Dusit Thani College in developing skillful personnel for the hospitality industry. Dusit Thani College is a subsidiary of Dusit International, one of Southeast Asia's leading companies, which comprises 5 business units, which are Hotels and Resorts, Dusit Foods, Property Development, Hospitality-related services, and Dusit Hospitality Education. Internationally recognized by the World Association of Chef Societies and the International Center of Excellence in Tourism and Hospitality Education. Dusit Thani faculty members are the experts in the field, transferring knowledge and proficiency from industry professionals to the students is our primary mission. At Dusit Thani College, we offer 3 types of courses. Either you want to apply for undergraduate programs or short courses and skills development programs. For the international program, Dusit Thani College provides a bachelor's degree in business administration in hospitality management with the academic certification of École Hôtelière de Lausanne, a world-leading hospitality management school in Switzerland, and a bachelor's degree of business administration in a Professional Culinary Arts International program, a joint degree with Le Cordon Bleu, a world-renowned culinary institution. Moreover, we offer short-term courses, especially for those who are interested in professional skills training in every aspect of the hospitality business. For instance, front office operations, housekeeping management and operations, professional bartending, along with custom courses designed to meet unique needs of Thailand's leading organizations. With our experienced academic members, students are guaranteed to acquire key competencies to reach the next level of success, as well as a suitable training program. In addition to that, the college does provide work-integrated learning, allowing students to cultivate knowledge and skills from many experts in real working environments. Our students are encouraged to maximize their intellectual potential together with leadership skills. An event such as the DTC Academic Fair is a great opportunity for students to gain life experience. We also strongly encourage them to take part in regional and international competitions. We never stop developing ourselves through the quest to strengthen and enhance your competencies. We will help you shape the growth mindset. We will push you beyond the limit. Strive for opportunities. Expand your horizon. Let's move forward with us.